Hey, welcome back to the No Code Minute. I'm going to give you a brief tutorial on responsive design. When you first start out, there's, let's say, two inputs and a button. Let's see how responsively how it looks. Doesn't look so good. So what can we do? There's one option. We're going to click Shift and click on each of these inputs and the button. Right click. We're going to group elements in a group. All right, let's center this horizontally. And then we're going to make it apply a max width when the page is stretched. Make that to 100. These inputs, we're going to make it not fixed width. And let's say the minimum width on the group, let's put that to 60. Let's see if that helped at all. That's a little bit better. So it squeezes it down and doesn't go over that. So on mobile, it looks okay, and tablet and desktop. Well, there you go. That's your No Code Minute for the day. If you like these videos and want more, please subscribe to my channel.